DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this Ford Focus. It's the ST. It's petrol. Absolutely fantastic condition. It's just arrived. It's just going to be valeted. I thought I'd get it marketed first. As you see, it's finished in the beautiful blue metallic gloss black alloy wheels. Privacy glass to the rear. Full ST body styling. Rear park distance control. Higher level rear spoiler. Best colour to have a Focus ST in. Very price range this one is as well. Got the lovely ST half leather blue interior. Got these nice little protectors on the door here as well that go in and out. Electric windows, mirrors, ST illuminated side kick plate, Recaro ST seats. Car's on 92,393 miles. Got all the gauges there, turbo bar, pressure, temperature. Sounds lovely. Got the media pack here, heated steering wheel, traction control, climate control, multifunction steering wheel, automatic headlights, media pack here. Seats are in lovely condition, anthracite grey headlining, locking wheel nut, your augs there as well, satellite navigation. The home page on, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio. Lovely condition. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.